In the industrial world where every second count is stable, real-time, and reliable data is the lifeline of success, from the massive pipelines of oil refineries to the precision reactors in petrochemical plants, every link requires the most accurate monitoring and control. But if your data acquisition devices can't withstand harsh environments, if your systems can't communicate with each other, if your decisions are always one step behind due to latency, then now you need a true technological revolution. The BL191 is your bridge to the future of smart industry. Traditional industrial communication is like a chaotic multinational conference filled with a myriad of protocols, making integration time-consuming and labor-intensive. The BL191 puts an end to all of that. It natively integrates OPC UA server functionality, the universal language of modern industrial automation. This means you can transmit temperature, pressure, and flow data from the field directly and securely to your SCADA, MES, or even cloud platforms, without any complex conversions, achieving true plug-and-play. If OPC UA is the BL191 communication ability, then edge logic computing is its brain. It's no longer just a passive messenger. When pipeline pressure exceeds the limit, the BL191 can automatically trigger an alarm in milliseconds when precise flow control is needed. It can execute PID calculations locally without waiting for remote commands. This is the power of edge computing. It pushes decision-making down to the closest point to the field, delivering unprecedented response speed and system security. With these powerful features, the BL191 excels in the oil and gas, petrochemical, and process control sectors. It's not just a piece of hardware. It's the key UI puzzle piece for building your smart, connected, and autonomous industrial process automation systems. Are you ready to embrace the future of industrial communication? Follow us, and let's make your industrial sites smarter, more efficient, and more secure.